Okay, Maria. This is Elizabeth with Lucid Curios. I'm trying to show Maria how to add moderators to her channel. So ignore this little box here. That's just for me recording my screen. And so as you can see, Maria, I'm on my own YouTube page. I come up here to my icon and I go to YouTube Studios. Okay, and in this left hand side you see the dashboard, videos, playlists, all that. You come down here to this cogwheel and it says settings, and then you see general, channel, upload defaults, permission, community, and you want to go to community. And as you can see, as a moderator, I already have you listed. Now if you want to list somebody, you go to their homepage, not like a live video they're playing. Like, here's Dee with the Thrill of the Thrift. You can see she's live right now, but I'm on her homepage. So I'm going to come up here to her URL, and I'm going to copy it, copy the link to her page, and I'm going to come back to this box. So I went back to my channel page. I already have this open, and paste the link. And then you see her pop up right here. And so I click on her name and she's added as a moderator. And I come down here and click save and she will be saved as a moderator. I'm going to go ahead and take her off because I haven't asked her permission. I'm sure she's got to moderate a lot of channels and she's a busy lady. But so once you're done, you would hit save. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. But it's as simple as that. You just go to your studio, again, settings, community, and you paste the link to their page right here in this box that says moderators. So I hope this helped you, and I hope you can add your mods now. Much love, Maria-California Thrifter. Peace.